Welcome back to the channel. I was supposed to be doing Vlogmas, but I haven't really been, I got content, but I haven't really been posting no videos, but I'm gonna try to post every day from now on up until Christmas. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, and let's get into it. Today we're gonna be cooking, we're making some steaks. So we got the steaks right there. We got the foil on deck. We got some mushrooms and then some onions. We're gonna cut that up. We're gonna season the steak real quick and I'm gonna put it in the foil. Then we're gonna broil it in the oven. So let's get to it. Okay, so we already got the steaks washed off and all of that. So we got the seasoning right here. We're gonna cut some holes, poke some holes into the steak so that the seasoning could go through the meat and like be really seasoned and you could taste it and all of that.
Not you big sound.
Then I gotta cut up these onions and put the mushrooms in there too. Okay, gang, this is what it's looking like. Say hey, Riley.
Hi.
Okay, I got some butter on top of that. It's gonna melt it all together, pull that steak right together. And we got some, hold on, Riley. We got some onions on there and mushrooms. And then I didn't show y'all this, but I had put this on there too. Riley. I put this on there too, and I drizzled a little bit of this on top of it as well. So this is what the steaks are looking like right now. And then we gonna put it in the oven. It's on 350 right now. It's on bake. Okay. The steaks are looking really good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I did my thing. You know, pat me on the shoulder. We're gonna wrap these up. Let's wrap these up. Oh. Okay. the oven now. Ooh, light's good right here. Okay, they're in the oven now. We're gonna leave it in there for like an hour and a half. I'll get back to y'all when I, you know what I'm saying, when I check on it in about 40 minutes. Let me get this butter. Turn this light on.
It is tender, I will say that. It's not dry at all.
Okay.
That's good.
That's
That's good.
Oh, look at the tea right there.
This, you up at the restaurant, kids. Steakhouse.
Okay. Then we just got some little fries on the side.
Yes, alright.
But y'all heard it here first. Okay, gang, that's it. The food was really good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click that notification bell. And I'm gonna see y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace.